Hi, welcome to Deb's Design. This is part 2 of our flower arranging. It's the first part. I've decided that I need a little bit more greenery in here, so I've picked up a few more stems, and today we'll find out where it goes in my house. So it always helps to just separate your branches. And these are not a bush, these are simple little separate. And I just picked up 3 more. Let's see here. I think I'll just hold off on that. It's mostly greenery here, touch of roses, but I like it. One thing I didn't do the other day also that it needs, when you do a floral arrangement, it's always nice to, especially if it's going to be somewhere where people can look down into it, you want to put some Spanish moss or some kind of filler. So I just picked this up and I'm going to stuff that around the top of it. Let's see if I'm going to turn it around a little bit over here so you can see what I'm doing. Let's just put a little bit in here. It adds to the natural effect, and I think it just really goes a long way, just having a little bit of the moss. There, I like that. I'm going into the room where this is going to go. I'm going to clean the light fixture and rearrange some things and do a little spruce up so it'll be ready for this beautiful arrangement. These are Norwex cloths for glass and mirrors. I love them. Wash with one, wipe with the other. I'm not getting quite all the way up, but I'm bringing my ladder in for that. You can tell this has been used many times for painting. It's got a little bit of paint from every project I've done in the last few years, I think. And I also need to clean this light fixture. It's amazing how much dust accumulates. It always scares me to take this little thing off and let that glass be loose. It's very fragile. You can just see how fragile it is. I'm going to take it to the sink and clean it good instead of just using this cloth. Now the tricky part is going to be getting that little bolt back on. It's easier if you have someone here to kind of hand you the glass once you've got it in your hand and ready. So hopefully I won't break this thing. That's what I'm mostly worried about. So I just rinse that in the sink, and now I'm using the Norwest glass cloth on it. I'll wipe down these bulbs before I put this back in up. Okay. Got part 1 there. Okay. Part 2. If I can get this on without letting the glass fall, we'll be set. And without getting it too tight to crack it either. And it's a little bit lopsided. It is lopsided. Oh, wow. Okay, screws on, not too tight. Of course, I got some smudges on it. But it definitely is cleaner. And I guess you've guessed it, we are putting the flower arrangement in the entryway. It's always a good idea to clean as you redecorate an area. Just picked up this little framed art while I was out of town this weekend. Very small little piece, but I'm not sure exactly how I want to work it in, but I am going to work it in somehow. Okay. Once you get your arrangement where you want it, then it's easier to kind of see, you know, where you want different flowers placed. This one here in the entry will be probably the first item that a person would see as they come in to my home. These are my battery operated ones that I've had out since the fall. They have a little tip here, so they actually would fit in another kind of holder better. I really like this stuff. It's little tacky stuff you can get, you know, to make your pictures hang straight and just different little things. I also like to use them in candlesticks to secure the candles a little bit better when the candles don't quite fit. I'm going to try to just wrap it around the edges here, because you can see the edge is very small, the little part that goes down in the candlestick, and then it's open all the way down. Design is simply finding solutions. That's a major part of design. So whenever you figure out how to make a picture hang straight, or how to help a candle stand up straight, that's all part of design. And design, so many times, is just solutions to everyday problems, but the solutions make things beautiful in that process. Now let's see if this is enough. I might need a little bit more tacky on this. So don't get frustrated whenever you have to feel like you're stopping your decorating to, you know, make something work that you hadn't planned on, because that's part of design. You know, that looks simple, I think, but pretty. Just the white heart with white candles and this beautiful container here. I'm not happy with this yet, so I'll keep working on this, and whenever I get the solution, I'll bring you back. I decided for this corner over here, my solution is going to be to, just use a little push pin and put this little picture right here. Candles come right here, so I'm just going to kind of use that height as a balancing and put this pretty much on the same. From the table to the top of those candles is 16 inches. So over here, from the, 16 inches. So that's going to be about there. And this little hanger is just a tad lower than the frame. So I'm going to just push a push pin right there. And these are really easy to fill in whenever you're finished. Now looking at both sides together. And if you just step in over this way a bit. I think that's pretty. Totally love that arrangement. It is quite large, but I think that desk can handle it. And if I don't like these colors here, I thought they went well with the carpet here with this rug. And if it's always no big deal to change out 5 roses. Well, for today, the entryway has a little makeover, new beautiful arrangement. I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration to help you realize that you can make your own floral arrangements. If you're start out with a small container, and you can just get a few flowers and practice your skills. Whether it's symmetrical or asymmetrical, they'll be beautiful. Thank you so much for watching today. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye. I did add another little framed key right here, and raise the little gold box on some books. And I think that gives it a little bit more balance. That's how I ended up leaving it. Okay, so for the final look, that's how it turned out.